How to improve your concentration? You can use these following 5 proven methods to do so. 1. Do only one thing at a time. In this busy life, we have more than one thing to accomplish at the same time. Yes, every single one of our tasks must be accomplished. But everything has a time and must have a time. Do only one thing at a time. Multitasking appears to increase productivity, but in reality, it decreases perfection and sometimes few important tasks even go unnoticed. So if you have to study, do set a time to only study, not for anything else. If you have to play, do play at a set time. Just don't mix things up. 2. Meditate. Meditation reduces stress of doing things and brings the mind to our control so that we can drive it in whichever the way we want. For us to complete a task, we must stay on it for a particular time. In order to do that, our brain must also stay with us. Meditating once might not give us the full control, but meditation at regular intervals definitely gives us the concentration we have been waiting for. Choose the best place. It is a universally accepted truth that we cannot study in a cricket stadium. We also cannot concentrate while in a movie theater. So we need a place that has minimal to zero noise levels. Everything in the place must push us towards our task accomplishment. Select a place like that and go on. Also, don't stay in the same place for hours together. Change places constantly. A brain concentrates more in a new place. If you have only one room that you can concentrate in, keep changing your place in that room itself. Take breaks in the middle. Rest breaks are a proven way to improve concentration. Take a small nap for every 30 minutes or 1 hour. Also, walk around a bit in between. Brain needs blood to function and walking helps flow blood to the brain. Naps and walks also free your muscles. Set time for your mind to wander off. Concentration is important, but wandering off a bit is also necessary. It's true that wandering off in between might completely shift our concentration to something else. So, set a time for wandering off. Set a particular time of the day so that your mind just wanders off wherever it wants and explores the thoughts. Who knows, great ideas might just pop up. Happy concentrating!